1-0. So easy. Kid Mo Salah. Don't embarrass Mo Salah. Yeah, step over. Oh, see? Come on. Oh, I like that turn. Okay, keep it in. Step over. Come on, Hisham. Remember the flicks as well. Oh. Oops, keep it in, careful. Good, keep it in. I like that. See that V-cut? See? Hisham, you were doing foul on him and then he step over. Step over quick. What's the matter with you? The lady's falling down. See? Go, 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 go. There's a lot of bring. Go. Celebrate your Mosa. Yes. Alright, turn around, turn around. Watch the cones. Yeah, jump. The other side. Both land. Two leg, both of them land together. Yeah, go, 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 go. Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Okay, go. Yeah, inside. Good. Run, run, faster, faster. Come on, Mohammed. Yes, Mohammed, well done. Come on, Hisham. It's all about control and dribbling. Inside, good. Go, Mohammed. Good, faster, Hisham, come on. Come on. Okay, Mohammed, take his ball. Take his ball, Mohammed. Take his ball. That side, Hisham, that side, Hisham, the other side. Yeah, Mohammed, are you on this side? Come on, take his ball, quick. Go on, Mohammed, take his ball. Come on, Mohammed. Come on, it's all about stamina and dribbling. Come on, the person with the most balls wins. Quick. Quick. Hisham, take his ball. Come on. Mohammed, come on. Come on, take his ball, Mohammed. That's it. Good. Inside the cone, yeah? Remember, inside the hoop. Yes. Yes, come on, Ronaldo. Come on, kid Ronaldo, run. Run, come on, Hisham. Kid Ronaldo's winning. Yes, I like that tap. Yes. Go, 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 go. Celebrate. Soon. You're ready, go ahead. Go. Unlucky. Yeah, and then fix the other one. The person who knocks both of them down the first wins. So. Unlucky. Unlucky. Come on. Well done, Hisham. You're getting closer. Aim. Oh my God, you've gone far. Come on. Mohammed, strong pass. Yeah. Mohammed, come on, strong pass. Hisham, not to me. Ooh, getting closer. Mohammed, come on. I'm sure you guys think it better than that. Come on, today will be nice. Hisham, where are you? Align yourself with the balls, yeah? Now pass, go on. Come on. Yes, yes. Ooh, close. Mohammed, align yourself with the balls. Come on, fix it faster. I know, Mohammed, what's wrong? This is teaches you. No, pass. Strong pass as well. Yes, see? He's getting closer. Come on, Hisham, strong pass. Yes. Unlucky. Come on, you guys are tight. Hold. Good. Hands, yeah. Good, not on your chest, remember? Good, the side, yes. Good. Hold, don't worry, hold. Count to 3 seconds. Hold. Good, hold. Good. Yep. Come back this way, behind the line. Okay. Yep. Good. Come on. Good. Yep. Yeah, come on. Good. Come on. Hold. Good man. You tired?